Well, guys, I've got the welder up and going. Had a bit of help from my next door neighbour, so did a little bit of welding. I didn't show it on film because I'm a rank beginner, and hopefully I'll get better as time goes by. But I'm a rank beginner. This is what I've been practicing on a bit. That's my neighbour's weld. That's a bit of my weld. Another bit of my weld, practicing. And definitely another bit of my weld. But anyway, more practice, and found that minimum 1 and wire feed about 3 is pretty good. Weren't sure about the polarity, so we got it in that one. It seems to weld alright. If I put in that one, I'll have to try it again later, but had to change the polarity inside the machine. So yeah, but anyway, that's the beast. And you didn't get to see me weld, but well, it is a bit of a joke at the moment until I get used to it. There's the tip, and that you can see it's been used. So hopefully when I get better I can show you a bit more. So it's a Rossi welder, an MG155. It's a basic one, and for a basic person. Thanks for watching.